Thina munene na uria ukoretwo ukihutia arimi ni gucoka kwa magetha mao na thioro kimera ni ururu wa tiri na kwaga kugia na umenyo wigimaini ni fertilizer iriku yagia ukorwo ikihuthika muno makiria thiini wa tiri wao niguo ukorwo makiandura magetha mao ro thutha wa kimera. No riu thina uyu urorete gutuika ng'ano cia miaka ya nahau kabere ari thutha wa kiganda kia uthondeki wa fertilizer kia Fat Plant East Africa na kiria kiri rungu rwa kambuni ya Mea Limited gukorwo kiri thabari-ini ya muthia kuhingura muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu turi. Akiaria thutha wa gucera kiganda-ini giki thiini wa kaunti ya Nakuru, Minister wa urimi Peter Gatira Munyani augite riciria ria uthondeki wa kiganda giki riukite ihinda riria riagiriire kuona gwata ukorwo ikihotithia wambatiria wa magetha ni gigukorwo gigiteithiriria muno makiria hari agenda inya cia thirikari na muno makiria agenda iria cia iganda undu umwe na bothi kuri bururi.
What it means is that our production will probably even triple. And then the quality of what produced will also improve. So that's why I'm saying it is a total transformation in our farming. And given that small-scale farmers' biggest challenge has been very little production per acreage.
Makiria mao Munyani augite ni mukenu ni riciria riria riri na kiganda giki ria kwambika uthuthuria wa tiri na kumenya fertilizer iria arimi marenda kuringana na matura maria marakorwo magitungania urimi wao. Guku roho akiuga undu uyu ni ugukorwo ukiandura magetha undu umwe na guthengia hathara iria arimi makoragwo magitungana nao ro thutha wa kimera.
To make sure that we have a countrywide soil testing initiative that will inform decision making on what kind of fertilizer to use. So this kind of a holistic investment that provides solutions to the farmers in terms of assessing what kind of soils they have and then providing the right nutrient is the way to go.
Muhua uyu kinyitwo baru ni Minister wa urimi wa Nakuru nwe Dr. Immaculate Muthoni na uria ugathiriirie kambuni ino ni riciria ria kwambika uthuthuria wa tiri na kuheana kihonia kiagu akiuga undu uyu ni ukorwo ugicokia unoru wa tiri muno makiria kuri arimi.
I must confess that this is very strategic, not only for Nakuru County but for the national agricultural sector as well, because with a high production of fertilizers, we see that would be very useful in enhancing fertility in the areas.
Akiaria hindi ya igena riri thiini wa kambuni na murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya Mea Limited Eustace Muriuki ni ugite oni mehaririirie na labu ya mwanya ya guthima tiri na gucaria kihonia kia miaka miingi muno makiria hari arimi na aria makoretwo magicaya ni undu wa guthuka gwa tiri wao na kwaga kihonia kia fertilizer iria ingicokia magetha mao muno makiria haria mari miaka ya nahau kabere.
Is that the farmers should have their soils tested so that they know exactly how is their soil condition. Because in soil condition, if you have, for example, acidic conditions, we will make sure that we give you a fertilizer that is, we will be able to remove that acidity. Okay, we shall incorporate some lime, and the lime is actually mainly calcium oxide. Also, when you have your soil tested, we understand the soil itself, and you should be able to. So we try to emphasize that farmers should have their soils tested earlier before the season.
Wona kiganda giki na kiria githondeketwo na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3 giakorwo gitiruririo mirango yake muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu kirikoragwo githondeka fertilizer ya muigana wa metric tons 100 ro mwaka guku arimi makiria ma milioni 2 ari ni aria kahua macani bebe igwa matunda greenhouse gatagati kangi magitanyo kugunika muno makiria kuma kuri fertilizer iria rikoragwo githondekwo ni kiganda giki ro mwaka bururi-ini.
This fertilizer plant, we will be able to produce all types of fertilizers. We should be able, we should meet the various soil and crop requirements. So farmers will benefit from the soil crop specific fertilizers we will be producing.
Handu-ini ha Gikuyu TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, Njitagwo Kamau wa Nyaguthie.